So the wind is blowing crazy heavy offshore right now at Shell Beach. Some 3 to 4 foot waves rolling in every now and then. And for the most part, it's pretty choppy out there. And I would definitely not call this ideal surf weather, but I've just got an itching to get out into the water. So maybe we'll paddle out and see if maybe we'll catch a couple and then head home and go to sleep. So one of the comments I get most from people on my surf videos, people who don't surf, is, gee, I wish I could do that, or I would love to learn how to surf someday. And to that, I would say it is. It's an amazing experience, and it's something that I truly love. However, on the other hand, you have to think, do you really want to learn something that will inspire you to get up early in the morning, no matter how cold it is, and to go jump into freezing cold water and high winds and brave it just for the thrill and exhilaration of maybe a 10-second to 30-second wave? Man, it's up to you, but one of the jokes I say is the worst thing that can happen to you is that you actually come out, you learn how to surf, and you love it because it starts to consume you. And when you're not in the water, you just don't feel right. Anyway, here we go. Okay, and so this is why you don't buy Amazon third-party accessories for your GoPro. So the entire back door ripped off of my housing unit that I got off of Amazon for my GoPro. Luckily, GoPro cameras are waterproof. The wind is crazy out here, But it was a fun day. Thank you for coming along. Please like, subscribe, comment below, and let me know if there's any videos that I can make for you with any of the GoPro accessories, cameras, settings, editing, whatever you'd like. So anyway, until next time, take care.